Hey DIYers, I'm Mark, and today we are reviewing and using the new manual heat press from HTVRONT. Over the past couple of years, I have had the opportunity to use several of their products. Everything from their heat press vinyls to their sublimation products. And what I can tell you is that they are amazing, they are good quality, and a terrific price. The heat press machine is no different. It is a great value. It has a 15 by 15 inch press, which allows for a broader range of projects. So if you're working on something big, perfect. It's easy to use and it rotates 180 degrees in both directions. And it has a flexible pressure regulator. There is so much more, so let's unbox and make something with my new HTVRONT manual heat press. The first thing I want to say is that this has a very nice weight and seems super sturdy. I love the handle, it looks easy to use, and from what I'm seeing, this is centered. Plus, the heat plate is 15 inches by 15 inches, so it's ideal for larger projects. I also love that the heat plate is capable of rotating 100 degrees left and right. And I love that you're able to give even pressure. You can also easily adjust the pressure by modifying the heat press height. Okay, so this heat press features a control pad, which is really easy to use. Just turn it on, dial it to your desired heat setting, and set the timer. Wait for it to heat up, and you're ready to go. This is wonderful because I can see when it's at the proper heat setting without getting impatient and starting too soon with a regular iron. My brothers and I head up to Big Bear to camp every year, so this year I'm making some bear emblazoned shirts for our trip. I cut out the bears with my HTVRONT heat transfer vinyl. Next, I'm just cutting them to size. After I weed, I'm going to set the manual heat press to the proper setting. You can find the settings online or they have them printed in the instruction manual. Just set the control pad and wait a minute or two for it to reach the desired temperature. Rotate the heat plate, center the shirt and the cutout. Next, rotate the heat plate over the design, press and set the timer. So easy. Release the heat press plate and rotate away and then wait until the transfer is cool. This is a cool peel. How easy was that? I love this HTVRONT manual heat press. I think you will too. Now let's make the rest of these shirts. I'm going to leave a link for HTVRONT, this heat press machine, and everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press that notification bell so that you know I have a new video. If you want projects that I don't share anywhere else, follow me on Patreon. I'll leave a link below for that as well. And if you want some new inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts too. And I'll see you real soon. Bye.